Uh, Let me greet you all, my followers. More especially, I would like to greet my follower who has followed me from quite a long time ago, Shelly. Shelly, you complained that you are following me, you listen to me and others, but I always do all my videos in Zulu. I've done it now in Zulu. Now this one I want to share it with you. I would like to elaborate on the show that was aired on 1KZN TV today, which was talking about the charm that is used, the moti that is used for gambling. That mixture of traditional medicine, it is a purplish or pinkish like that I was showing on TV. I was telling people that it is used for good luck, drawing money. It's a money drawing, and you can use it for gambling. But I was elaborating that using it for gambling is something that you can do, but you get different amounts of money. If you want to get a good amount of money or a good winnings in gambling, what you need to do, you need to go for cleansing first. There is a bathing that is done inside here. You come to me and consult, then I give you the bathing, which is cleansing. We cleanse all negative spirits and all bad things, bad spirits that might be following you in either ways that could be there in your life. After that, you will be able that when you use this mixture, it will give you good winnings. So I was elaborating on that. There is the other one, which is a mixture that you drink that helps the body, that cure every sicknesses inside the body. It even removes everything that is not needed by the body. It is called Zimbabwe Zimpilo Uzifo Zonke, which means all infections. It removes or it cure every infection, different kinds of infections that it finds in the body. It will cure that infection. So I would like to make this one directing it to you so that you'll be able to know. Going back to the issue of the one that people use for gambling, there is also lucky oil that you use when you are using the pink moti, so that it will work continuously in your body. So that's what I was narrating, that was what I was talking about on TV. I showed two kinds of herbs, different kinds of herbs for money, drawing, good luck and gambling and all that. And the other one was for curing of different diseases inside the body, which even kills the serpents. There are serpents that comes out from people's bodies when they have used that one. It is not magical. It's something that is inside, that grows inside spiritually. Then we are capable of, that mixture is capable of taking it out. So I thank you very much. I hope Shelley will be glad to see that I listened to her and I started to do this. And also Pastor David in Meerbank. Pastor David, this video is dedicated to you again. You and Shelley are the people who approached me and complained that I only do everything in Zulu. So I will try, when I've done the video, then I will try to translate it into English so that you will be able to understand. Follow me, subscribe, and share my videos with different kinds of people. I thank you very much. Amen.